Hi, I'm Sarah Colell. I am an adult nurse practitioner. I knew since kindergarten that I wanted to be a nurse. It's funny that I grew up on a farm in Wisconsin in a family of farmers. My grandparents were farmers, my aunts and uncles were farmers, my cousins were farmers, but I always knew I wanted to be a nurse. I don't know why, that's what I was chosen to be. I love the interaction and being able to discuss with each person where they're at and what's going on in their life, because I can't affect change unless I understand where they're coming from. And that gives me the ability to work with each person individually and uniquely to help them affect change in their life for their own health. I establish trust with patients by listening to them, and I had asked one of my family members, how do I answer this? And they said, Mom, you listen and you give them kind words and you encourage them. When a patient comes into our clinic, they can expect to have someone who listens and gives them personalized care based on what's going on in their life. I'm not someone who says, oh, this is the answer for that. I listen to what's going on with them so that we can meet the care that they need at their place in life. As a nurse practitioner who's come from a varied background, growing up on a farm and then living in the inner city in Milwaukee, I feel that I can be easily approached by people from many different backgrounds. I enjoy taking care of our agricultural, hardworking country people, and I also enjoy taking care of people who come from, an inner city background who are just trying to get back to health in their life. And it's just wonderful that I've been blessed to meet people from many different backgrounds and diversities, and I just appreciate getting to know people and help them feel better and move forward in their life. I am an involved member in my church. I've been in the choir for life, and I've also served as choir director. In the community, in the county, I'm a 4-H leader. Growing up, I love sewing. I've been sewing since I was 3 years old. In high school, I would have friends approach me to ask me to sew prom dresses for them. So my junior and senior year of high school, there were 4 prom dresses of mine at prom. And people would ask if I was going into fashion design, and I thought, no, that is my hobby and that's for me. So I get to serve people by being a nurse practitioner in my professional life, and I get to enjoy sewing in my private life. I have 3 boys and a girl, and my daughter's in college for fashion design, and my 3 boys sew as well.